there's a lot of alternative materials that we're seeing at this show. We're also seeing a lot of materials that take on characteristics and looks of higher end materials, but really not for the cost that we're seeing. So, great things like the new natural looking stones from Corian and Samsung that are really, seamless and affordable, but not the cost or the maintenance of a natural stone. The real wow with technology is definitely coming from Jen Air, kind of taking that iPod, when you really get into it where it's a touchscreen, you can pick what you're going to cook for dinner, you can then pick the poultry that you want. It shows you a picture of the poultry. Then you get to say how you want it cooked. Then it shows you pans. And if you're like me, who maybe isn't the best cook, it actually shows me a picture to make sure that I picked the right roasting pan from a broiler, and then you go through the whole thing, so it really takes out the guesswork. Sterling came out with a vanity that is what I've been seeing across the board and become seeing from Europe for a while. It's washed oak in a white finish, so it's really textural, great look, very approachable, can fit into a lot of different people's homes. So I look at that vanity, and that's something that, walking these shows, there's the dream, and then there's the stuff that I really feel that could come back into, into our shelves at Home Depot.